Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon, Abraham Lincoln. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Well, today's lesson, we're going to be drawing the 16th President of the United States. That is Abraham Lincoln. All right, so let's begin with the study. So what we're doing now is just creating the basic shapes. And then from there, we're getting a little bit tighter and tighter. So I have his overall head, and now I'm sketching out his little nose and his eyelids and his eyebrows area right now. One of the things that you may want to really do whenever you do caricatures or cartoons of particular people, try to get a reference that is pretty lifelike. In this case, very lucky and fortunate that we have nice photos because they had photography back then. So I took a little picture of him without his hat, so I had more space on teaching you the facial features and his structure of his head. So when I looked at him, I saw that he had a long face, a big forehead, and that beard that he had, that unique style. Eyebrows really fuzzy, so I emphasized them a little bit larger as well. I just gave him a very quiet looking face. I didn't give him too much of a smile. But once again, feel free to use your creativity and change the facial expressions as well. And one thing noticeably that he was known for was his big ears. So there's one of his ears and his signature hairstyle as well. So when you see me working on these cartoons and as well as drawing, you'll see that I'm very sketchy right now, and that is just a sketch to teach you how to draw. These sketches are also very useful when you're doing comic book pages, layouts for graphic designs, as well as for animation as well. All right, let's get his beard now. Sticking straight out there. Yep, that's looking good. I like that one. All right, yeah, a little tough. He doesn't have a mustache, so it's like more of like a Amish style beard. All right, let's just get some of the little ends of the beard so it's not too smooth. That was just a first outline just to give the direction for the beard to help me when you're sketching. And I'm just seeing overall, I'm liking the style and the look of it right now. It's looking pretty good. All right, let's get underneath there, his face. And as you can see, I didn't erase any of the lines that I had, so I want you to see the building up of the actual character of this case, Abraham Lincoln. And from there, I will take and this to the next level in Photoshop and tighten him up and color him in there as well. So I'm just shading in his hair so you can see the separation from his face, from his hair. So it's a little more of a tone, more of an accent. All right, that's looking good. All right, let's shade more of it in over there. Yep, that's looking at the back side of his head there. All right, let's get a little bit darker, a little bit. Yeah, let's add some hair in front of that ear a little bit more. A little body wave there. All right. And his ears and his chin there sticking out. And let's a little eyebrow there. Okay, let's get his eyelids a little bit stronger and let's shade in his eyes a little bit darker. There you go. As you can see, I went very light in the very beginning just to help, but now I went a little bit darker to add the contrast now. All right, there's his other cheekbone. And just his typical mouth with his lip underneath there. Right there. All right, that's looking good. A little darker for his hair now. So let's accent where the hairline actually goes. A little bit darker, and I can still play back. Sometimes what you might want to do is come back and redefine some of the areas. All right, that's looking good. All right, as always, let's sign and date it. And I want to say thanks for checking out our video and have a great day.